This gorgeous Sophie move-in ready home is available now in our DeVille East community in Clovis and is just steps away from the beautiful community trail. Plus, this home has instant home access for your chance to take a tour on your own schedule. Let's go check it out. Just off the front door, you have the perfect guest suite that features a bedroom, full bathroom, and walk-in closet. And as we make our way past an additional bedroom and storage space, you step into this gourmet kitchen that features an oversized kitchen island perfect for hosting all of your favorite gatherings, a large walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, a beautiful tile backsplash, and bright white cabinets. And connected to this kitchen is the dining space that features a 12-foot sliding glass door, bringing tons of natural light into your living space. Now, as we make our way past the great room and the formal dining space, you step into this incredible, spacious master bedroom that's just steps away from this large master bathroom that also features wood plank tile flooring, bright white quartz countertops, white cabinetry, a large tiled-in tub, and a beautiful step-in shower. And of course, one of Brandville's signature features, this large walk-in closet that's connected right to the laundry room that features additional cabinet space above and down below. And just off the laundry room is a hallway that connects an additional bedroom, the garage, a linen closet, and a full bathroom. This beautiful Sophie move-in ready home is available now in our DeVille East community in Clovis and has tons of features and upgrades, including window coverings, backyard landscaping, and so much more. And that's not all. You're just steps away from this beautiful community park. Visit our Copper River Ranch sales office for more information.